night after Joanna and Franco's wedding.
The crazy wedding has finally finished. We were so...
Everyone got smashed. Everyone got smashed. Now we are leaving our hotel room. We stayed at the Watergate, and that's where the wedding was held. So we're gonna leave and we're gonna go head to Camiguin Island. To get there, we need to still research. I think it's a tuk-tuk or a car to the port, which is about 2 hours from here, and then a boat, which is an hour and a half to the main island, and then another 40 minutes to the other side of the island, where our Airbnb is. So yeah, hopefully we can catch everything today. So we're at the bus station trying to get a van to Butuan, but it costs, the queue is crazy. Have a look at the queue. The queue goes all the way around to that side.
You give me Oyapan. You give me Oyapan, please.
We're still on the way to the port. It's going to be a close call if we're going to make the ferry today, because the last ferry is in half an hour and we reach there in half an hour, so hopefully we can get on board. Otherwise, we'll have to catch it tomorrow. Good morning from Camiguin Island. This place is beautiful. Today we're at Island Gym. Just woke up, came here first thing in the morning. Yesterday we landed at the ferry port. There was no tuk-tuks or any rides to take us, but they were charging us a lot of foreigners prices. So we waited for a jeepney, and then we got one guy to take us all the way to our hotel, which was about 1,000 pesos for 4 of us, which I think is not that bad because it was about a half an hour journey, and between 4 of us it was fine. Yeah, so we checked in, we slept, and we're here. I'll come and show you the gym. So honestly, it's got majority of machines. They're kind of built like homemade, old school, but really, really good. There's a bag, there's leg press, there's the chest machines, flat, incline, or middle, and then incline, right here. Leg press over there. That's Koshik here with me today. 2 treadmills. So the weights are like color coded, they're in pounds. So this is 35 lb, 12.5 lb. For a gym, it's really nice. Just to get a workout in. So I'm gonna hit the bag now, and yeah, let me show you more.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all.
There's Chris with 20 kg shopping box. The boys in the town. So right now we are on the downtown of Camiguin City. I think it's called Mahagong. No, Mahong. Have to check. Here's a bike. Yeah. We got the bag. You're right, baby.
Let's go.
How are we carrying that? You ready?
Ready?
Oh, there's eggs, yeah, baby.
Yeah, but I mean, what? Come on. Oh yeah, baby, look at that.
I think that's better, no?
I'll just,
Ready?
So we're in White. Where are we going? We're going to White Island, which is that island over there. You can't see it. Craig wants some drone shots. I want some underwater shots.
He's the man for drone shots.
Now I'm the man.
Fingers crossed, we're gonna get some decent shots today.
That's Muku paying the fees, calculating. So they're charging us 450 pesos for one boat, and then there's an environmental fee of 50 per person. Yeah.
It's all included.
So it's going to be 650, I think, total.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So 650 pesos to get to the island and chill there for 3 hours. They allow you. We're going to see what it's like, and then we'll update you.
It's the same number.
So that's our boat right there. Craig is leading the way. It's freaking hot. It's what's it called? About 35 degrees and 1 in the afternoon. So we made it to White Island. No one, actually there are a few people here, about 5, 6, but apart from that, it's just us. We were the first ones here. And to get here, it's just a 20-minute ride from the port. Or ferry, little ferry, not ferry ride, what do you call them? Little boats, them mini boats. But if you do decide to come here, bring your own food, bring your own water, because there's nothing else around. And this sandbank, it actually doesn't go underwater on full tide, so it stays afloat. It's beautiful, honestly. It's such a nice place just to chill, relax, hang out with your friends, hang out with your partner. We're going to now get something to eat and head to the place, the sunken cemetery, where it used to be a cemetery, which is now underwater. So we're gonna see what it's like. It's kind of cloudy on that side, but it's sunny on this side. Beautiful, beautiful place to be. So, cut to the drone shots in 3, 2, 1, go. That's our boat coming to pick us up. So we just finished our island trip to White Island. It was beautiful. We might not head to the sunken cemetery today as it's a bit late, so we're heading to get some Jollibees because we're super hungry. And yeah, from there we'll see what we'll do. Our friends Joanna and Franco are probably going to be landing today, so they're also going to be joining us for the next 3 days in Camiguin Island. So enjoy it, right? So we're at
Katibawasan Falls.
It took about 10 minutes to get here from Jollibees, not even that long. It's like a jungle environment. And now we're going to see if we can go. I think it might be closed. Let's see.
Is it closed? Because it's waterfall, and usually they close like 4 p.m, no?
I think saying 4:30, after 4:30
it's closed.
So because the waterfall is closed, we're gonna head home, wait for our friends to come back, or they're on the ferry actually at the moment. From where?
From Balingohan.
From Goan.
The Benoni port.
Yeah.
It takes around 1 hour.
1 hour.
So I think they will be arriving by now, maybe like in half an hour.
About half an hour?
They're just gonna just quickly take shower, change, and hopefully to go for some drink tonight.
Yeah, so we'll probably end it here and then we'll show you the waterfall probably tomorrow because we're going to be heading to that area.
Right.
Peace.